Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Giggster app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Giggster is a platform that connects creators, filmmakers, and event planners with unique locations for shoots, productions, and gatherings. Through the app, users can browse thousands of rental properties, check availability, communicate with hosts, and book spaces for everything from photo shoots to corporate events. It's designed to simplify the process of scouting and securing venues with transparency and ease. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app is visually clean and easy to navigate, with filters to help narrow down the right location based on budget, type, and size. Users appreciate the high-quality photos and detailed descriptions, which make it easier to choose a venue confidently. Messaging hosts is straightforward, and many report responsive communication and smooth booking experiences. That said, it's not without downsides. Some users have noted last-minute cancellations by hosts, and in rare cases, discrepancies between listings and the actual space. Others mentioned that service fees can be a bit steep, especially for bigger bookings. While the app works well overall, a few users experienced occasional glitches or slow loading times on older devices. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Giggster is a solid choice for anyone looking to rent creative spaces without the hassle of traditional scouting. It's ideal for content creators, photographers, and event organizers. Just be sure to read reviews and confirm details with the host before finalizing your booking. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.